I have added 2 heaped tablespoons of this. I have added 2 chicken Asda stock cubes to this, and I've got my lovely chicken breast which I've weighed for protein sake. I'm going to be adding an onion and I'm going to be adding some pearl barley. Vegetable wise, this is what I'm adding: a yellow pepper, a red onion and a little courgette. So I've added a extra chicken breast because I've decided to do 2 portions, and I'm adding 2 tubs of Philadelphia light cream cheese, and I'm adding this for my protein as well as my chicken. I've added a tablespoon of whole grain mustard, so I'm bringing it up now on the heat so I can start it getting really nice and hot. Then I'm going to bring it down to a gentle simmer, depending on your own oven. You'll know what's best, and that can just simmer off. I've got half of my Philadelphia in my blender, and I've got half of it cooking inside of my soup. And I'm going to just put a lid on this, leave it simmering, and I'll come back to it to check on it in about 15 minutes. So take a look at this beautiful chicken soup. Look at it. Oh, it is just splendid, isn't it? Absolutely splendid. Really lovely. Well, I'll let you know what kind of goodness is in it, and I'll let you know what the flavour's like soon.